Hello everybody and welcome back to the Orangeville Studio. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to design a flame in a letter logo or a kind of fiery letter logo. So I've done this before, so I'm just going to do it again with I've done this before with an N, so I'm just going to do it again with an N. So let me just give our canvas a background. Created our background. We're just going to give it a dark blue or purple color, just so our orange logo will stand out on it. And we're gonna type an N, and change the color. Change the weight to capital. We're not going to use the font long shot. Try the font Mont, and the font Mont is the font we will be using. So we're going to go to right click it and click create outlines. And just duplicate it just in case we need to come back to our original shape. And we're going to change the color to an orange. We're going to press down on the control button so these circles will come, and that will allow you to round the edges. Don't round them too much, but make sure they're rounded enough. And what we're going to do also, we're just going to manually bring these up, 2, and these down, 1, 2. And let's just lock our background. One, and we're just making our shape a little bit smaller. Okay, now onto the flames. The flames, pretty simple. We're gonna get a rectangle and just go like that. Create a rectangle. I'm gonna give it right size. We're gonna give it A size. Let's just try 20 px. The width doesn't really matter too much. Obviously, don't make it too long. And then again, click Control and just round the edges off the computer. And then we want to duplicate the shape by clicking Control C and Control F. We're going to make sure that we're going to move it down until it hits the exact bottom. So there we have it. And then we're going to do that a few times. We're going to zoom out so we can do the same thing over on this side of the end. And what we're going to do with the second two, we'll just, and then again, let's just copy our shape again, just in case we need it back at that point. We're going to individually cut them out of the background. So cut, cut. Let's not cut them at the exact same time. So let's cut that one a little smaller. 2, that one smaller. Oh, sorry. So just make sure that the shape is on top, and then you can do the cutting. And we're going to add this a few more times. And we're going to make the plain pieces get longer and from long to short, as well as the kind of shadow pieces, the in betweens of the flames. And for this, the flames, they're quite big. Usually, the first time I did it, I meant one with smaller flames. But basically, that's how you make a flame next to the letter logo. Let's go make a few more letters just so you know exactly how to do it. Just gonna merge the shapes together with our one shape, and now our the logo is finally. Yeah, let's just make, so I added these circles. Let's just make a few more or one more, just so we can show you that we can make it with another letter. And then I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. And here's a trick to see if you want to see how it would look without actually doing the cut. Then you can just change the color, and then that will give you an indication on how it will look after you've cut it. And so that's how a U letter would look. So you can just go ahead and do as many letters as you want, or just do the letter, maybe your initials, the initials of someone you know. Just go ahead and press someone and send this to somebody that you want to do them a logo. This is very simple and easy to do and easy to come by. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Stay on the lookout for our logo design course and like and subscribe.